The eruption of the La Palma volcano is entering a new phase marked by the arrival of more magma from the depths of Cumbre Vieja to the surface. Lava from an erupting volcano on Spain's La Palma island has reached the Atlantic Ocean, raising fears of toxic gases being released and explosions. Clouds of white steam were seen rising as a red-hot current made contact with the water in the Playa Nueva area. Hundreds of homes have been destroyed since the Cumbre Vieja volcano in the Canary Islands erupted on 19 September. About 6,000 people have been evacuated, as the lava was engulfing houses, schools and some banana plantations.